trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess Skyasia. For today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my car, as you guys saw by the title. I think it's probably been about maybe like 2 months since I last cleaned my car. And then I have dust all over here, y'all. And then look at my floors. Y'all see that? Like, I just need to vacuum. And then look. And y'all, look what my friends be doing. Like, I think that's mud or something from it being rainy. But yeah, I need to clean this. And then this is my back seat. That's literally my friend's jacket. And you see, that's my bag. So I'm just gonna put my friend's jacket in my trunk. There's nothing in my trunk. My trunk is always clean, but I'm gonna put my friend's coat in my back seat because I'm literally gonna see her next week. Okay, y'all, I actually found a bag in here because I had got some juice and it was still in the bag. So I'm gonna use this bag to throw trash away. I'm more excited about vacuuming my car because it's been like a minute since I vacuumed it. And I have a lot of coins in here, so I think I'll be able to just like pay for the vacuum thing like that. I'm gonna throw this away because I don't even like Polynesian sauce. My boyfriend's eating that. And I'm gonna put the Chick-fil-A one in here, you know. I'm gonna go in with these bubblegum drops now. And they just go like in these like, I don't know if you can see, they go in these like little flowers right here. My best to squirt these in my car every time like I get in or something. Y'all, it's literally freezing, but all right, so in this pocket I have lotion and perfume. This isn't even mine, this is my friend's, Jada's. I keep it there so she can come and get it, but she be forgetting to get it, so okay. Just keep these in here just in case, like I guess like if people like spill stuff. And then another lotion. Okay, y'all, so I just got to the car wash. To take my rugs out and I'm gonna put them on the floor and stuff. And there's like hella people here, y'all. I think I'm just gonna put you guys on time lapse and you guys watch me get it done.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch stay bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. I too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, bitch is not what it seems. I got that bitch.
Okay, y'all, so the car looks amazing. It smells amazing too. I'm super happy that I did that. I'm gonna show you guys everything when I get home because I also want to show you guys like the outside. Okay, y'all, so I wiped the dust off from there and all the dust on top of there. I love this, y'all. there's just a few more girly things I do want to add to my car. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I saw these cute like headrests for Hello Kitty, and I don't know if I want them. But y'all, look, I vacuumed, I wiped them down, cleaned my cup holders out. Y'all, those stains, well, that's just wet because I was like scrubbing the seats. There was dirt all on this door. I cleaned that. You know, I wiped my screen off and stuff too. Yeah, same with the back seat. Like, there's no more stuff in it. It's all wiped down. And yes, ma'am. So I have this cute like bling on my car. Like, just the best. Oh, just got washed. Ooh. And then I have these cute bling butterflies on my door as well. And my front and license plate both just have bling on it pretty much. And y'all, I have like, my tint sucks, but at least the inside of my car is like finally clean now. Her. Hi. Hi. Yeah, my baby had the, I know, Mookie, I know. All right, y'all, so I'm sorry if I didn't get like enough angles of the outside of my car. I just didn't want you guys to see my neighborhood because like, and yeah, it was very much needed, y'all. And yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.